bringing to light the mysteries that lie within Shiba Inu, mysteries that we in no way anticipated. Whales, the unseen giants of the cryptocurrency industry, have been quietly amassing enormous amounts of Shiba Inu tokens, leading to recent revelations that have brought them into the spotlight. However, what is the motivation for this incomprehensible behavior? Moreover, what kind of insider information do these whales possess that we do not have access to? An intriguing mystery that has the potential to completely transform the Shiba Inu landscape is about to be explored in great detail. Make use of the hashtag for the whale that caused waves. Over 600 billion Shiba Inu tokens were recently acquired by an Ethereum whale, which is a move that has garnered a lot of national attention. More than just a transaction, this big acquisition, which is estimated to be worth around $5.9 million, is a significant deal in the midst of an era in which whale activity is reaching unprecedented heights. This indicates a strategic play within the environment of Shiba Inus. But there is more to it. By virtue of this acquisition, Shiba Inu was elevated to the highest position in the whale's portfolio, so becoming their most significant stake. A staggering 733 billion Shiba Inu tokens, which is approximately equivalent to $6.8 million, are currently stored in the wallet of the whale. Throughout the course of the past 2 years, this whale has consistently followed a pattern of amassing Shiba Inus while engaging in very little selling activity. There is a strong indication that this behavior is part of a long-term strategy. This is the question that really needs to be asked. Is it possible that this whale has access to knowledge that the rest of us have not been known about? Or is this a deliberate wager on the amount of potential that the token possesses? Hashtag, the question becomes even more perplexing. This whale's propensity of transferring Shiba Inu tokens to a secondary address is one of the things that makes their action even more intriguing. Over $9 million worth of Shiba Inu coins have been accumulated in this alternative wallet, which has now accumulated more than 1 trillion of these tokens. It is possible that the purpose of such constant transfers is to secure holdings or to get ready for a large shift in the market. This approach is suggested by the fact that it is deliberate and thoroughly planned. And further degree of intrigue is added by the fact that these tokens come from a mysterious source. Coinbase, a renowned cryptocurrency exchange, sent a significant amount of Shiba Inu tokens to this Ethereum address, with a total value of $36 billion according to historical statistics. In order to achieve domination in the Shiba Inu market, this whale could be a shrewd retail investor, or it could be a member of a larger institutional fund that is doing so. As the number of whales that are active continues to rise, hashtag, there are other whales that are also making waves besides this one. There has been a significant increase in whale activity over the whole Shiba Inu aquatic habitat. Based on the data provided by Intotha block, an astounding figure is highlighted. Whales have completed trades totaling more than $158 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens within the past 7 days. These transactions have been done. Let us utilize an analogy in order to get a complete understanding of the enormity of this figure. Take into consideration that each dollar that is involved in these transactions is equivalent to a single grain of rice. This mound of rice would be enough to fill an entire football field if it were trading for Shiba Inu, worth $158 million. At one end of the field, people are depicted standing and looking out over a sea of rice grains, each of which represents $1. The enormous scope of whale activity in the Shiba Inu market is better communicated with the help of this picture. Additionally, it highlights the considerable influence that they have. I'm Robinhood, a new power player, and I'm using the hashtag. Although individual whales, such as this one that holds Ethereum, are the focus of the media, they are not the only ones responsible for the expansion of the Shiba Inu. One of the most prominent players in the Shiba Inu ecosystem is Robinhood, a well-known trading platform based in the United States. Recently, Robinhood increased its holdings of Shiba Inu tokens to about 37 trillion. solidifying its position as the third largest holder of these tokens. A staggering $336 million is the value of this position as of right now. The rapidity with which Robinhood amassed these tokens is genuinely impressive about the company. The Shiba Inu holdings of the platform surged by 371 billion tokens in a couple of days, which indicates a swift and strategic shift in the platform's leadership. To continue with our rice analogy, the holdings of Robinhood would be sufficient to occupy not just one, but two sports fields, underscoring the enormous magnitude of their financial commitment. Significant is the fact that Robinhood has chosen to give Shiba Inu higher priority than established cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. The shifting dynamics of the cryptocurrency market are reflected in this transition. Platforms are adjusting their offerings to accommodate the ever-evolving demands of their user base by devoting significant resources to Shiba Inu products. The company Robinhood is demonstrating that it is confident in its future and is affecting the sentiment of the market as a whole. Repercussions for the Shiba Inu ecosystem through the use of hashtags. Not only does Robinhood's expanding interest in Shiba Inu have huge ramifications for the token itself, but it also has potential repercussions for the cryptocurrency market whole. One of the most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States, Robinhood, has shown a growing interest in Shiba Inu, which is an indication of the growing popularity of this meme sport cryptocurrency among the general public. It is possible that this tendency will pave the way for higher levels of adoption and wider integration into the financial systems that are used in everyday life. A significant component of the cryptocurrency market, the power of large-scale holdings, is brought to light by the behavior of whales and institutional investors, in addition to the engagement of Robinhood. As a result of their enormous holdings, whales have the power to affect the sentiment and trends among market participants.